Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 MIG welding machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, MIG MIG Welder. Specifications. Brand name, MIG. Weight, 17 kg. Model number, HPM 2280. Dimensions, 425 by 183 by 290 Wire feeding speed, 3 to 18 mm. Usage, MIG, TIG/ARC welder. Welding machine color, black. TIG torch, 35 to 50 square millimeter. The item number 2 is Andeli MCT 520 DPL. Specifications. Brand name, Andeli. Model number, MCT 520 DPC. Dimensions, 489 x 210 x 327. Rated duty cycle, 60%. Usage, welding metal. Is smart device, no. Pulse frequency, 0.1 to 100. Voltage, 220 volts. Frequency, 50/60 Hz. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, MIG 4-in-1 MIG ARC TIG Welder. Specifications. Brand name, MIG. Weight, 12.5 kg. Model number, MIG 250. Dimensions, 530 x 290 480 mm. Wire feeding speed, 2-14 meters per minute. Usage, MIG ARC TIG welding 4-in-1. Welding wire diameter, 0.8/1.0 mm. Applicable thickness, over 0.8 mm. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.